Hey guys, so this is a quick video for you on how you can create an email alias in Hostinger. So first thing, you're gonna have to go to emails, and there you're gonna find the emails, and then you're gonna click on manage right here. So emails manage, and then what you have to do is that you're gonna have email accounts. You're gonna have three dots here, and you're gonna have manage alias, and you're gonna add a new alias. So this is going to be theme, and let's say support, or email address is going to be theme, and create alias. And support marekaminitsky.com is added. And this is how we're gonna do it. So hope this video helped you at least a little bit. And have a great day and goodbye.